Okay, this door, I have been having trouble for this door. Cannot really, the lock, cannot lock it. Okay, I tried different ways. Okay, couple of ways you can do. Yeah, basically, let me tell you what's going on. Okay, because the builder used a really small or short screw. Okay, the door lean this way. When it lean this way, okay, this lock going down. Okay, that means it cannot really fit to the slot over there. All right, so usually I do is like you can change the screw here. Okay, I replaced already. Use a long screw. Okay, I think a 2.5 inch. Right. Usually top one, bottom one is not really important. Right. So, but anyway, I replaced everything I can. Okay, but still cannot fix the problem. Right. And you can do easy way. Replace the top one and this one. Right. You can lose bottom one. Okay, you can lose it. When you lose it, the door come this way, right? The bottom will move this way to make the gap even, right? That means they can lift the door. You can lose this screw also, right? But the most important is the bottom and this one, right? But you have to do little by little. Okay, you can adjust it because I have 4 of them here, right? So that means even though I complete almost usually in the past I lose this one a lot. It's still okay because I have other 3 to hold it, right? But some people they have 3 of them. Okay, you have to be careful, right? But the bottom line is easy way, just lose the bottom one, right? And this one, but you can adjust little by little to find the sweet spot. Okay, and if that one does not work, okay, right now actually I tighten up everything already because from time to time when weather change or whatever, it still become problem. Okay, I cannot really lock the door. Okay, or you can, some people cannot even close the door because this lean this way, they'll rub against the frame. All right, I have another house. I call somebody, they come, they take away the frame, they totally mess up. Actually, it's not that problem. The problem is this door lean this way, right? You can see the gap. Okay, on top is very narrow, and going down become bigger and bigger. Right, see that? Become bigger. All the purpose. Okay, you have to know your goal to make this gap make even. Okay, I mean the top and the bottom almost the same. Okay, you don't have to perfect. You don't have to be perfect, but you know that's the way you adjust it. Okay, and from other videos, people tell you you can do for the hinge. Okay, you can take this hinge out, take these things out, bolt out, and you can bend. Okay, actually another cause is not the screw, it's this hinge. Because door is so heavy, they drag this door, this hinge to this way. The most important is still the top one over there, right? They drag it. Okay, people teach you take away this hinge, take out this bolt. You can use like screw and put there and use like a hammer to take it out. The problem for me is the top one. I don't know why. The top one and the bottom one, I cannot take this bolt out. Okay, I have to really take off the screw over there to disassemble the door. After you take, if you can, okay, if your door you can take this bolt out, okay, you can just take out and use wrench to bend this, make this the hinge go this way, go toward another side. That means you can drag the door toward this way and then make the gap, the top gap, okay, bigger. Okay, you don't have to really do too much on the bottom. Okay, the most important, even you have 3 or 4, the top one is most important or middle one. Okay, these 2 of them. Okay, because I have a problem, I cannot take out that bolt from top one or bottom one. Okay, I cannot really bend it. This is use wrench, okay, to bend it. Okay, you can do some research. Okay, there are lots of videos talking about. Okay, you can do that if you want to. Okay, But for me, it's not possible. Then you have to, okay, I have to use a hammer. Okay, they say do not use hammer, but I have to use hammer. I don't have any other options. Use hammer to knock it, okay, make this hinge toward that way, the same purpose, okay, same purpose to make this hinge, even you bend it, okay, toward another way, make the door, drag the door back, okay, door back. But things like when you do it, okay, use a towel or something, okay, I use a towel, put it against here, and use hammer to hit, okay, to hit. You don't have to really damage to make this lots of dent on there. So maybe there's some dent, but it's not really obvious, okay, to protect this hinge. Just knock it, okay, especially the top one. All right, I really knock it, okay, use this kind of hammer, use a little bit heavier hammer, make your job easier. You don't have to put too much strength, just knock it, knock it, knock it, okay, you can see the movement basically, little by little, okay, and then you can fix this problem. Right now, you see, everything's good, okay, see, it's pretty good. All right, hope this one can help you solve your door problem, save you some money.